Okay, so I was just reading about this concept called retrieval augmented generation, or RAG for short. It blew my mind. Um,
Oh, RAG, that's the one that combines retrieval methods with LLMs, right? How does that work exactly?
exactly. So traditional LLMs have this problem. They can't update their knowledge easily because they're trained on a fixed corpus.
Right? That limitation can be a huge bottleneck, especially when you need fresh, accurate information like current events or new research.
Totally. But RAG addresses this by allowing the model to retrieve relevant documents from external sources while generating text.
Oh, wow. So it's like having a super helpful librarian who fetches the latest studies just as you need them.
Haha, exactly. It's this dynamic interplay where the model learns context from those retrieved pieces to generate more accurate responses.
Wait, hold on. It's not just pulling stuff randomly, right? How does it decide which documents to fetch?
Great question. That's where indexing comes in. Essentially, it organizes documents so the model can fetch the most relevant ones quickly.
So you're telling me this indexing is like creating a map for treasure hunting, guiding the model to the best sources?
Exactly. And that makes me think about how we often need a reliable roadmap when we're trying to piece together complex topics.
Right. And the retrieval part can also help keep bias in check because it pulls from a broader array of viewpoints.
That's an important point. So it's not just about being accurate, but also about being inclusive of different perspectives, which is key.
Oh, wow. It's really cool when you think about how RAG could transform the way we educate ourselves and others.
For sure. Imagine a student using this tech to dive deep into a subject, getting real-time, curated content as they learn.
Or how about researchers who can instantly access the latest studies and analyses while drafting their papers? That's wild.
I know, right? It's like upgrading from a basic calculator to a powerful computer.
But hold on. What are the limitations? Does it face the same challenges as traditional LLMs?
Great point. Even with RAG, there can still be issues related to information overload or retrieving irrelevant documents.
That makes sense. So the balance really hinges on effective indexing and retrieval techniques, huh?
Exactly. This is where fine-tuning comes into play, making sure the model knows what's important and relevant.
Oh, I see. So fine-tuning is like giving the model some advanced training to recognize what's critical in the search results.
Yep. It's such a delicate dance between being open to new information and staying accurate.
Do you think we'll see RAG becoming standard in many applications? It seems so promising.
Definitely, the implications could be huge across education, journalism, and even creative writing.
Wow, imagining journalists using RAG to enhance their reporting feels revolutionary, right?
Totally. They could check facts on the fly or find multiple angles to cover a story more comprehensively.
And think about content creation. Writers could have access to a wealth of info as they generate ideas.
Exactly. It's like having a digital brainstorming partner ready to pull data whenever inspiration strikes.
But it does raise some questions about verification. How do we ensure the retrieved info is actually accurate?
Yes, that's a vital concern. There has to be a process in place to vet the sources being pulled.
So it's not just about quantity, but also the quality of the information, right? It's a balancing act.
Absolutely. You need that quality control to prevent misinformation from creeping in.
Wow, it's fascinating to think how much potential RAG has. It really could change everything.
Right? And when applied carefully, it could lead to more informed decision-making in so many fields.
This is making me rethink how I approach research and information gathering. So cool.
Same here. It's amazing how technology can reshape our understanding and learning processes.
But where do we draw the line? How do we maintain original thoughts if we rely on retrieval too much?
Great point. It's all about finding that balance. You still need to cultivate your own ideas while using tools.
Exactly. It's a partnership between our creativity and these powerful technologies, not a replacement.
So if we put all this together, RAG isn't just about retrieval, but enhancing our cognitive processes overall.
Wow, yes, it's an exciting future we're stepping into. Just thinking about all those possibilities.